Hey everyone, it's Alliance of Strategy here, your fearless guide through the wild world of trading. If you're grinding through the markets, hitting those highs and lows, you've probably asked yourself some tough questions. Today, we're diving deep into 4 real trading dilemmas that every trader faces. No fluff, no BS, just straight-up logic to level up your game. We'll cover if one setup works across instruments, why even winning strategies have losing streaks, why levels trade differently every day, and why the same signals yield different results for different traders. Stick around. This is about building that unbreakable mindset. Let's crush it. Question 1. Does it make sense to use one setup on different instruments? Absolutely, yes, if your setup is rooted in solid market logic like structure, liquidity, and momentum. Think of it like a universal toolkit. The principles apply everywhere, from Forex pairs to stocks or even crypto. But here's the fearless truth: execution is where the magic, or mess, happens. Every instrument has its own vibe. Volatility spikes in crypto, steady ranges in indices, or wild swings in commodities. You gotta adapt your levels, stops, profit takes, and holding times. Don't cookie-cutter it. And pro tip, watch your aggregate risk. If you're running the same setup on correlated assets, like oil and energy stocks, that's one big risk basket, not separate trades. Distribute your volume and risk smartly. Don't stack it up. Bottom line, one setup rules them all, but tweak the execution to fit the instrument. Stay adaptable, traders. That's how you survive the chaos. Question 2. Why do periods with negative results occur even with a working strategy? Listen up. The market doesn't owe you a paycheck every day. It's not a 9 to 5. It's a battlefield. Even the best strategies with positive expectancy shine over the long haul, not in every short sprint. Markets cycle through phases: booming trends, boring flats, wild news dumps, or sleepy low liquidity zones. Your edge might crush in a trending market but get hammered in a range-bound one. Expect drawdowns, series of stops, dead days without moves, or times when the market flips the script on your usual structure. That's normal, not a flaw. What separates a killer strategy from a dud? Survival mode. It weathers the storms without nuking your deposit. Build that mental fortitude. Stick to your rules during the reds, and the greens will follow. Remember, trading is a marathon. Pace yourself. Don't burn out on the first hill. Question 3. Why are the same levels traded differently on different days? Levels aren't magic walls. They're zones of interest where buyers and sellers clash. The level might stay the same, but the market's approach changes everything. One day, price charges in with killer momentum, liquidity flooding in, and big players jumping aboard, boom, breakout or reversal city. The next, it's a squeezed, low-volume drag, inertia pulling it along like a tired sloth. Context is king. Don't just react to the touch, analyze how price gets there. Was there a build-up? Fake outs? Volume spikes? That's your edge. Fearless traders don't blindly trade levels. They read the room. Adapt to the daily vibe, and you'll turn those zones into consistent wins. Pro move: journal your trades, spot patterns in how contexts shift outcomes. Question 4. Why do different traders get different results from the same signals? Signals are just the spark, execution lights the fire. 2 traders spot the same setup, but outcomes diverge wildly based on the nitty-gritty. Lot sizing, risk per trade, entry type, market or limit, ironclad stop discipline, profit-locking strategy, and yeah, that emotional roller coaster. One trader sticks to the plan like glue, riding the wave. The other moves the stop on a whim, exits early on fear, or over-leverages on greed. Discipline isn't sexy, but it's the secret sauce for stable results. Build habits. Risk no more than 1 to 2% per trade, journal emotions, and review relentlessly. Fearless trading means owning your execution. Signals are universal, but your results are personal. There you have it. Fearless traders, real answers to keep you sharp and unbreakable. Trading isn't about avoiding the tough spots. It's about thriving through them. If this fired you up, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense insights, and drop your biggest trading question in the comments. Let's build that community of winners. Trade smart, stay fearless. See you in the next one.